Are you bored due to the shutdown of the movie theaters from last 4 months? Then there might be a good news for you, as the government is planning to reopen all the movie theaters from September onwards. But my suggestion to you would be that do not go out to movie theaters for watching movie right now, because it's really unsafe, and because anyways you have to go out for your job, right? That's unavoidable. So do not make an extra top up dose of coronavirus exposure chances by going out for movies. So kindly stay at home, only go out when it's absolutely important. So for this reason I have made a list of web series which you can enjoy at home. So the top 5 web series to watch are: number 1 is Bandish Bandits. It released on Amazon Prime in August itself. So why am I taking this name? Because if you're really bored with extra dose of violence and sex scenes around in most of the series nowadays, then it's a very fresh thing for you. Like almost all the web series nowadays have extra dose of sizzlingness in it. So if you want to take a break from it and take a tour of classical music, then it's a very fresh one and the first of its kind, because we previously didn't have any musical web series in India itself. And lastly, Naseeruddin Shah rocked it totally, and the music by Shankar Ehsaan Loy, it's mind blowing. It's just mind blowing. The number 2 on the list is everyone's favorite, Lucifer season 5. It released on Netflix, as we all know, this month itself. Personally speaking, it's mind blowing and I was eagerly waiting for this. I'm a die-hard Lucifer fan. It's totally worth your time to see the devil on the screen. Now I must say, this season is not a standalone season. So unless you have watched all the previous seasons like season 1, 2, 3, 4, all of them, you will find completely lost in this 5th one. So if you're a Lucifer fan, go check out the previous 4 series and then come for this 5th series, so that you will just love the total content package as a whole. And anyhow, it's going to spend out your entire September month watching 5 series of Lucifer altogether. And one good news is that previously Lucifer series used to be 40 minutes per episode. Nowadays it's 55 minutes per episode, so extra. Now the third one in my list is Ashram. Yeah, Bobby Deol got launched in it, so we all know about Ashram trailers doing round in YouTube. So Ashram released on MX Player. It's free, no subscription charges at all. Actually, I'm glad to see Bobby Deol getting relaunched after a long time. He's a good actor after all. And amazing work by Prakash Jha. Literally amazing. He recreated that entire Rajniti movie kind of stuff all again, but in a very freshly new way. So it has a very different punch. Good job. Now the 4th one in my list is Your Honor. It's adapted from an Israeli web series whose name was also Your Honor. Actually, it is based on a novel. Jimmy Shergill literally nailed his character. As we all know, he's a good actor, but an underrated one for sure. So he nailed his character completely. But trust me, you will love this series as a whole. Not only because of his great acting, but also because of the amazing storyline and execution. The director also did a great job. It's a perfect package to watch. Now the 5th one in my list is Biohackers. It released on Netflix itself. It's a pretty good one, though not mind blowing actually. It's pretty good to watch. And I would say it's not the first one of its kind. What I remember is that I'm born in 90s, so I remember I used to play a game during my school days. Name was also something like this, Biohack or something like this. I don't remember the name. It's an old game. So the concept of that game and this web series seemed a lot alike. Okay, though it was a game, the fantasies can go much more, but the concept looked alike. So I didn't found it very fresh. So it was good, but it's still, those who haven't played that game or have no connection to those previous gaming sessions of bio games, they used to come during the 90s. A lot of games used to come based on this bio war and biohacking concepts. So if you haven't seen those, now that's all the 5 web series I told you about. Now I give you one extra in case you want to replace Biohackers just like I want to. That's Avrodh. It's released in Sony Live. Amit Saad, another underrated actor, did an amazing job. Now after Breathe 2, another power packed role in Avrodh is really great. It is based on Uri incidents, but it's much better than the film done by Vicky Kaushal, because the Uri film was much more based on emotions. You know, it was to get the movie going good way in a halls and all. So it's based mostly on emotions, but this web series actually it shows you the entire reality, all the practical and technicalities of going for a surgical strike and everything. Avrodh is hence much more detailed. It deals with the operations, how the operations took place, what were the preparations, much more detailed. It also includes the foreign relationship and how of our country with US and other places, and how this kind of surgical strikes can impact those relationships. So it's looking at a much bigger approach than the movie. So Avrodh is a must watch.